Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make quiche Florentine. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a 9-inch pie crust, either homemade or from the store. Make sure you have about 10 ounces of fresh spinach, washed and dried. For the creamy custard, we'll use 4 large eggs, 1½ cups of milk, and ½ cup of heavy cream. Don't forget your seasonings and cheese. Now let's prepare the delicious Florentine filling. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan and sauté your fresh spinach until it's perfectly wilted. This usually takes just a few minutes. It's crucial to squeeze out all the excess liquid from the cooked spinach. This step prevents your quiche from becoming watery. Then, in a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, heavy cream, salt, and a pinch of nutmeg for the custard base. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble our quiche. First, sprinkle about 1 cup of shredded Gruyere cheese evenly into the bottom of your 9-inch pie crust. This adds a wonderful nutty flavor. Next, spread the prepared, squeezed-out spinach over the cheese layer. Make sure it's distributed nicely. Finally, carefully pour the egg and cream mixture over the spinach and cheese, filling the crust almost to the top. You're almost there. Now for the best part, baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your assembled quiche on a baking sheet and bake for 40 to 50 minutes, or until the center is set and a knife inserted comes out clean. The crust should be golden brown. Once baked, let the quiche cool for at least 10 minutes before slicing and serving. This allows it to firm up perfectly. And hey, for more great deals and to check out that Owala water bottle, make sure to look in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.